along the dramatic coastline of Braywick in Shetland, where the sea meets the land in a rugged embrace. The sea stacks stand like ancient sentinels, weathered by centuries of wind and wave. Towering from the ocean, these jagged formations rise from the water, their silhouettes stark against the ever-changing sky. Each sea stack tells a story of nature's raw power, sculpting stone over millennia. The relentless tides have carved these monumental spires, creating dramatic landscapes where only the bravest birds dare to perch, with their towering height and eerie, almost mythical presence. These stacks are both a symbol of Shetland's wild beauty and a reminder of the untamed forces that shape this land. As the waves crash at their base, a sense of awe fills the air. The sea stacks of Braywick, standing resolute against time, are more than just rocks. They are a testament to the power of nature, frozen in time, and an iconic feature of Shetland's breathtaking coastline.